Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students at Illinois State University, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. This is a problem for July 15th, 2018. It was originally posted as my online exercise on February 9th, 2008. In a small metropolitan area, annual losses due to storm, fire, and theft are assumed to be independent, exponentially distributed random variables with respective means 1, 1.5, and 2.4. Determine the probability that the maximum of these losses exceeds 3. Let us write x1, x2, and x3 for the annual losses due to storm, fire, and theft, respectively. Let y equal to the maximum of the 3. The question asks a question about the maximum of the 3. Based on the information about the distributions of x1, x2, and x3, we have the probability that y is more than 3 is 1 minus the probability that y is less than or equal to 3, which is the probability that maximum of x1, x2, and x3 is less than or equal to 3. But maximum being less than or equal to 3 is equivalent to every single one of those random variables, x1, x2, and x3, being less than or equal to 3. So this is 1 minus the probability that x1 is less than or equal to 3, and x2 is less than or equal to 3, and x3 is less than or equal to 3. But these are 3 independent random variables, so the probability of intersection of all 3 of them is the product of probabilities. So this is equal to 1 minus the probability of x1 being less than or equal to 3 times the probability that x2 is less than or equal to 3 times the probability that x3 is less than or equal to 3. So these 3 probabilities are multiplied out, and then you take 1 minus them. And then now we know the distributions of those. The distribution of x1 is exponential with mean 1. The distribution of x2 is exponential with mean 1.5. And the distribution of x3 is exponential with mean 2.4. And for an exponential random variable with mean mu, the probability of being less than or equal to some value x is 1 minus e to the minus x over that mu, the mean. So in this case, this is 1 minus e to the minus 3 over 1 for the first one, 1 minus e to the minus 3 over 1.5 for the second one, and 1 minus e to the minus 3 divided by 2.4 for the third one. And now, of course, all you need to do is just do the calculation using your calculator. And when you do the calculation, you'll get approximately 0.414, which is answer E. Please remember that this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.